What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here from Seynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stalk someone's Instagram stories and remain anonymous, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make 2 videos a week. Well, lately I've been a little bit slack, but here I make videos relating to Instagram, and if you enjoy these types of content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. You're here because you want to be able to stalk someone without being caught. So I'm going to share with you this website that you can use on your desktop as well as your mobile phone. So the website is called 2pics. So it is www.2pics, so TOOPICS.com, and I'll link it down in my description, and also I'll pop it on the screen somewhere here as well. So basically you go into this website, I'll show you in a sec. You go into this website, you don't have to log in to your account or anything like that, and you can just search like a username, and then you can just tap onto their stories and they will never know. So I'll show you what it looks like on my phone, but I guess the annoying thing with viewing on your phone is that all these ads kind of like pop up. But let me show you what it looks like. Feel free to follow along with me if you like. So if you go to www.2pics.com, there'll be like a search box there. You can just type in like a username, so I'm just going to type in mine. So it's searching at the moment. As you can see there's like ads, there's like massive ad there, but I'm just going to tap onto my account, and then see how you've got this long ass ad coming down. It's actually blocking where you can actually view the story. So I guess my advice is just to turn your the orientation of your phone sideways, so you can see here on top where my profile picture is, and it's where you can view stories. So there you go. So that's one story, and then it should automatically go to the next one. You can even tap left or right to fast forward. But yeah, leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video or this video has helped you out. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.